Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to download Xvideos. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to download Xvideos, you need to use a third-party downloader website, dedicated mobile apps, or with a X Premium subscription. The most common method involves copying the video you want to download, like the tweet link, and once you have simply copied the tweet link, you can now simply go and tap open a third-party website. Once you simply tap it open, you need to paste the link and hit the download button. After tapping on the download button, you can get that particular tweeted video on your screen. So simply tap on download HD and you can simply download it and share into your device. So the premium users can directly download video via the share menu. So these are some ways. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.